what it do? Oh, what's up? Can I, what's poppin'? Ooh, that was a little spitty. Almost slobbery. What's up, fam? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl, Crystal, aka Curly Chris. And I'm so happy to be coming back with another video for y'all today, okay? How was your week going? Sis, I stayed home from work today. I was like, I'm not going in. I gotta talk to my fam today, okay? Y'all, I'll come back to y'all on Monday. But for today, it's my fam time, okay? So I'm here talking to you guys back with another video, okay? If you are not subscribed to your girl's channel, if you're not part of the family, smash the button down below. Smash the button down below. Come on, people. It's time, baby. Baby girl, it's time. Smash the button, please. So in today's video, we are doing a twist out combo. A new twist out combo that I've never done on this channel before. I also want you guys to help me come up with a twist out name, like whenever a twist out combo name. So whenever I have like a poppin' twist out combo, I want to be able to put this in the title and y'all know, oop, click. Sis got a new combo for us, okay? That's what I want. So help me come up with a name for these poppin' twist out combos, okay? Help me come up with a name for that in the comment section down below, because I really want to have a certain name for my combos, like a poppin' name, okay? So put some thought into it. Let sis know in the comment section down below, and if yours is just fire and poppin', and I'm feeling it, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it, okay? So speaking of picking, I'm pretty sure y'all like, sis, who won the competition last week? Well, let me tell you, okay? The person who won the comment competition last week was P.B. Williams. Yes, sis, P.B. Williams. Thank you so much for supporting your girl. Drop your cash app in the comment section down below. I'm going to go ahead and bless your account real quick, okay? And if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, then you ain't caught up. That's okay. I'm going to let you know. The competition is, if you are not commenting on all of my videos in that week's time, you need to be commenting and showing sis some love in the comment section. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick one person each week to bless your cash app. Period. That's simple. That's simple. You support me, I bless you, period. That's it, okay? I know in that last video I just now posted, y'all were kind of sparse in the comment section. I was like, where's the family? Y'all don't like my last video or something? What, y'all, so what, we got beef now? Huh? Because y'all wasn't supporting me in that last video like I'm used to, okay? Y'all left me kind of stranded. So if you ain't support sis in that last video, go support me. I know we're a family. What happened? That last video, I felt like the redheaded stepchild. And not the auntie with the big booty that bring around the mac and cheese, okay? So, support sis, please. Alright, great. So now that we got that out the way, let's talk about today's video. So in today's video, I'm installing some poppin' twists, okay? I'm just going to install the twist, and then in the next video, we're going to take it out and see these results. But you know what, y'all? I have a great feeling about this combination. So the combination is going to be the TGIN leave-in conditioner with the TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food. This is the black honey and coconut oil combination, and they got some French stuff. Avec miel oil du oil de coco. All I know is cocoa. So I guess that means coconut oil in whatever language that is, okay? So that's what we're using today on this hair. Y'all know I raved about this deep conditioner from this line. So I was like, let me go ahead and try the rest of the line. And the video I'm talking about is my winter wash day routine where I talked about that deep conditioner. So I'm going to tag it right here above so y'all can go watch it. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. Whoa. Alright, now y'all going to ask, this bonnet is from Isokin Inofe. Okay, another one's from her. Love them. Oh! I bet you thought you knew me! You don't. So I have already washed my hair and I applied my leave-in conditioner yesterday to my hair. So that's all up in there, y'all. I slept with that leave-in conditioner on my head. I surely did. The leave-in conditioner has so much slip, y'all. I was like, okay. Okay, sis. We may be under something. I'm also going to be using the, hold on, take the tape off. The Miracle Repair Anti-Breakage Serum. So this is the serum that came with this collection. I got this collection in PR. This is not sponsored or anything, but I did get it in PR. My hair is so soft. Whew, look at it. Look at the curls, sis. Yes, it's popping. I've already detangled my hair as well. Now let's get to twisting. Hair is detangled. I'm gonna go in and make sure of that it's detangled, because that is an important step. We know that from the Twist Out 101 series. If you ain't seen the Twist Out 101 series, by the way, you need to go watch it right now. So this whole line has like a scent of, it's like a very light scent. It doesn't even smell like anything really, but it smells delightful. It's a light, delightful scent. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. It's a cream, y'all. Ooh, it's thick and creamy! Ooh, it's so creamy. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Well, doesn't that feel lovely? Y'all, this feels so good. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I am impressed. If I ever create a cream of my own or a butter of my own, that texture is popping. All right. Put a little bit of that oil on that, girl. Go ahead and seal that moisture on there. And it's cold outside. Y'all better be sealing y'all hair. Okay? Ooh, that oil smell. Oil smells good. Real good. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and twist. I know y'all probably like, sis, where's the Pattern Beauty brush? I forgot it in the other bathroom, so I ain't going to get it. Wow. I am feeling so good about this combo, sis. Whew. This feel like it's going to be bomb. Got my cream. This is going to be 2 twists right here. So I'll put on a little bit more cream. And y'all, this cream, this is what I'm telling y'all about picking your products. I never tried this before. I looked at it one time and said, oh, this is going to work for my hair. Knowing your hair is so important, sis. This cream, the consistency of it is perfect for a winter twist out. Like, oh my God, you want something that's going to lock in that moisture. Heck, not even so much winter, just a twist out in general. This is what you want, sis. You want something that's going to moisturize your hair like this. Look at that. Gonna go in with the oil, seal that moisture in. Sis, do you see all the moisture going on in this corner of my head? Do you see it? Look at this. Pop and twist, pop and twist. Defined hair, waiting to be twisted. Okay? Waiting to be twisted, I should say. And I love the name of the product, Curl Food. That's cute. TGIN need to go ahead and stop playing and do a collaboration with your girl. Like, I'm speaking that into existence, sis. TGIN, hit me up. We need to work, sis. We need to do something together because this is amazing. I remember before I got my As I Am collaborations, I spoke it into existence on my channel. And then it just kept coming, kept coming, kept coming. Speak it into existence. Watch it manifest, okay? TGIN, I'm speaking you into existence. Because this curl food, my hair is eating it up. Yum, yum, smack, smack. Digestion, okay? Listen, sis. All right. Hit me up. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and twist the rest of my head. Let y'all watch a little bit. And then we're going to look at these twists.
Keep me company, swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines.
So I am fully done. Finally, sis. Look at the twist. How we looking? Juicy? I think so. So that is how these twists are looking. Sis, they look so good. Look at that. Like, my hair feels so good as well. Whew. Got a little product on my face. I also did not even have to reapply water to my hair at all. I twisted my whole head without reapplying water. That just goes to show you the importance of locking that moisture in the shower. When you put that leave-in conditioner on in the shower and let that heat penetrate your hair while you putting that leave-in on. It really helps to seal in that moisture. That's why I really do love applying my leave-ins in the shower. That's what a leave-in conditioner is for. A leave-in conditioner is there to moisturize your hair, to be that good base for your twist outs, for any style. That's that. How are we feeling about these twists, sis? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know how y'all are feeling, because these twists are gonna be bomb. I'm gonna show you guys the dry result in Friday's video. So today is Wednesday. This is Wednesday's video. And Friday's video, I'm gonna show y'all these results, how these twists look when they are dry. I feel like they're gonna be so moisturized and juicy and shiny because sis. So make sure that you are following my steps to get some juicy twists, okay? Very, very simple. It's a routine, it's a technique. Get that down pat, sis, okay? If you are not subscribed to your girl's channel by now, smash that button down below. Don't forget it, okay? Join the family. We need you here. Make sure you are commenting as well on all of my videos, because you just don't know. Next week, maybe you who I'm cash apping some money to, okay? PB Williams, make sure to drop your cash app down below. Thanks for supporting your girl. I'm going to see y'all in my next video, okay? Because I love y'all so much. And this is what we do. Enjoy this time off with y'all's family and everything. I will be enjoying mine. I love y'all so much. And I'm going to see y'all on Friday. Don't forget to show up and show out as y'all always do, okay? Even though Friday is Black Friday, y'all better come on here and listen to your girl. 3 p.m. CST. Okay? All right, y'all. I'm going to see y'all on Black Friday. Don't spend too much money. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Peace.